Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the hobbies that are worth it to do when it is raining in Heartopia. So the obvious one would be bird watching because you will need that spread wings, like stretch wing action, and it only appears when it is raining. It also appears when it is a rainbow, but when it is a rainbow, you can do other stuff. In my opinion, I personally like bird watching more when it is raining. Um, you can also try to get the last phase. I'm lagging a lot. You can also get the last phase of the bird watching event. Not this one though. You can just select the special bird watching one, like the special brick. Let me see what it's called. Hold on. The special brick bird event. Um I think I already have 5 stars on that one, so let's go to collection, bird watching diary. Okay, I just need 5 stars on the pink brick spare, which is a little bit difficult, but basically you'll need to do these when it is either raining or rainbow, but I personally like it better when it is raining, as I mentioned before. And don't forget to go to Doris here. I'll show you where she is in a minute. So when it is raining, Doris will always be located here in the art street next to these piano benches, so she will be right here. But yeah, that is it for this video. Oops, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!